Here are two examples, simple examples of combining verbs. In the first one, I want to swim. I have one verb here, to want, and another one, to swim. Over here in the second example, you can run. Again, I have two verbs, can or to be able to, and to run. In Spanish, these verbs translate to want goes to querer, to swim goes to nadar, to be able to or can is poder, and to run is correr. Now what do? I have two verbs here. Which one do I conjugate? Well, in Spanish, you always conjugate the first verb and leave the second one in this infinitive form. So, to express that I want to swim, I would take querer and conjugate it to quiero, and then leave nadar just as it is in the infinitive form, nadar. Quiero nadar. Over here, I do the same thing. I would take poder and put it, in this case, in the to form, to puedes, and leave correr in the infinitive form, correr. Puedes correr. There are many things in life that we have to do. So how do we express that you have to do something in Spanish? Well, it makes pretty much sense. If you think about the sentence up here, I have to do homework, the basic ingredients of this sentence in Spanish are the verb tener, I have, to do, hacer, homework, tarea. However, here's the one trick. When you have to do something, you use this combination of two words, tener plus que, and that expresses that you have to do something. So again, just like the simple combining of verbs, we always conjugate the first verb and not the second. So then this would convert to, because it's I, tengo que hacer tarea. Another way we combine verbs in Spanish is to talk about the future. Take, for example, these three sentences in English are all expressing basically the same thing. I will swim, I will go swimming, and I am going swimming. All are talking about going swimming in the future. Well, here's how you can express the future in Spanish. Take this combination of words, ir, the verb to go, plus the word a, and then add whatever else it is that you're going to be doing in the future. In this case, it's nadar, to swim. Again, you always conjugate the first verb and a verb combination. So in this case, ir, since we're talking about I, will conjugate to voy. Then we have this phrase, this verb phrase, a, to talk about the future. Voy a nadar, the other verb in infinitive. Now go to the top of the web page, read through all the information, and answer the questions at the bottom of the form and submit your work.